So for us guys, 5 steps you want to learn today, and then we switch dance. 5 step, 5 step, 5 step. Okay, so number 1 step is going to be basic step. We can start with the left or with the right. Okay, let's do it with the right for the ladies. So we go back. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So it's not what we do, it's how we do. So let's soften our knees. Now hands like this, like you run, and we go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So this is a step called basic. It's your step number 1. We're gonna do 4 more, maybe 5 more. Got it? So let's try with the music right away. Just 1 step. So before we dance, say with me. Say 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Can you say together? 6, 7. Together. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. No. Again. On the beat. 1, 2, 3. No. Okay, you are following. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 3, hold. 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Still not 100%, everybody count like me. But like, now follow me, I'm gonna count and count with me. And look at me. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And now let's just listen. Just not say, listen. And hips. Make your body work. Go a little bit down. Go a little bit down. Yeah. Go more down. Go with me down like this. Down, down, down. So it's here somewhere. It's not here. It's here. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Step number 2 is side step. The same. So we go side, side. Together. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. With the hips. 5, 6. Use your hips. Use your arms a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 5, 6. More body. Excellent. Now we're gonna combine 2 steps together. We're gonna do 4 times each. 5, 6, 7. Basic. 1 more. Side. Basic, we're starting with the back. Side. Excellent. Got it? Step number 3. Cumbia, back. With the right foot back. So it goes like this. 1, 2, 3. And look what I'm doing with my shoulders. But stay forward. Don't open shoulder back. It slightly opens, but we still stay forward. Feel the beat. Pa, pa, pa. Ta, ta, ta. 1, 2, 3. From beginning, basic. Side. 1 more side. Cumbia. Ta, ta. 1 more cumbia. And back to basic. Excellent, excellent. Now the next step we're gonna learn, it's how to turn. So we're gonna go like this with our right foot back. We go 1, 2, 3. Then we have a crossing action, crossing 5, 6, 6, 6, 6. That's your 6. Do like this. 6, 6. That's my 6. 6, 6, 7. So let's go together. Treat your feet like a drums. Your feet like a drum, which doing the rhythm 1, 2, 3. Hold 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 8. So let's go. We're gonna do turn right now, starting with the basic. 1, 2, 3. Now go 5, 6, 7. This way. Almost there. Very good. Very good. But it's when we turn, make sure we still do the rhythm with your drum. This is your drum, okay? Let's try it together with me. We count together. Say 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Excellent, excellent. So let's combine all of this together. That's your combination today. Then we're gonna do it together. So go like this. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. One more. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Then side. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Use your drum. 5, 6. Cumbia. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5. Basic with the turn. 1, 2, 3. Turn, turn, turn. 1, 2, 3. Turn, turn, turn. Yes? 2 turn. 2 turn. Basic turn, basic turn. So we need always something to start turn with the basic. Let's do it with the music. That was great. A little bit slower. Just follow me. 2 times each movement. Pa, pa, pa. Or actually it's faster. Sorry, it's faster. Back to where that will be easier. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Side. Sorry. A little bit of time. Now go. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Slow down. 5, 6, 7. Yeah. Ta, ta, ta. Just I cannot dance. When people dance now music, it kills me. Back. Ta, ta, ta. Now we do for turns. Turn, turn, turn. Pa, pa, pa. Turn, turn, turn. Okay. So one more step. One more step. One more step. You go 1, 2, 3. Then you go crosses. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Susie Q. Susie Q. It's called Susie Q. Susie with the Q. So let's try to count with me. Say 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. You see, you cross and you do like playing drum. Play drum, darling. No, don't dance. Play drum. How you play drum? Ah, yeah, feet, good. Now with the hands. Say 2 drums now. Sorry, I forgot that I told you another drum. So now 2 drums, okay? This is drum, and I'll do like this. Yes. So when you do Susie Q, it's just a little bit easier to cross when you're doing this. Ja, 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 ja. Everybody is too high. Not because you smoke, but because you stand. Low, stay low. Yes, so look how it just copy Oleg. You see ta, ta, ta. You forgot to play drums, darling. Yeah. Otherwise, like when you do Susie Q and arms here, it just looks a little bit strange. Doesn't look right. And when you just play here, it looks better. Yeah. So let's do the whole movement. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3. Back to basic. Okay. So now we're gonna do the whole sequence, but we're gonna do each movement one time. One time only. Okay. So one basic, one side, Ooh. One each. So you're gonna look something like that. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. What does it mean? 3, 5, 6. It means turn. What does it mean? Helicopter, right? Turn. So when I do this for you, it's going to be a reminder. 7. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Stay, 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 stay. You go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Slide. To finalize. Yeah? So we have full choreography. So we go from the Suzy cues. We go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now you're going to turn to the right. 1 to your left. I'm sorry. I tell you wrong. Turn to the left. 2, 3. Slide. 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2. And then start beginning. Slide. Yeah? So let's do the whole thing. So every movement we're going to do one time. And then you just watch my signals, or I may ask you what's next, okay? So what we start with is called what?
Basic.
Basic. Basic. So you go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So second one, which one? What? Side. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So the third one, which one? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Fourth one. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Fifth one. Suzy Q. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So it's going to be sixth one. It's a left turn. Sixth one is a left turn. 1, 2, 3.
All the way around. There you go.
Slide like a Fred Astaire style, like with the hands like this. 5, 6. This. Everybody do this. We to here, till here. No, Heidik. That's a Boeing 747. Too much. Small. Small plane. Like a bird. No. Evgenia, what's wrong with my elbows? Here. Here. Elbows. Here. Elbows. Elbows. No, elbows should touch your ribs. Yeah, and look, do hands like this. Here. Hands like you hold a skirt. You're a girl. You're holding a skirt. How you hold the skirt? So not here, here. Yeah, now cross like this. Cross, open. Cross, open. Cross, open. Cross, and now we open as we slide. Bend your knee like we did yesterday, Argentine tango. Yeah, that's the idea. I think we're ready, right? With the music? Let's try it. One time each. And then we try to do together. So we're gonna do all this, always this, and I will just add you more and more steps for this. Salsa. Just follow my rhythm, okay? So we don't understand it. Oh, darling, sorry. How you appeared here, sorry. Yeah, don't come here, okay? Sorry. Why is anyone here in my spot? Yeah, careful. Back. So let's do it again. Let's count together with me. So go. 1, 2, 3, 5. Let's count together. So we can do it with the music. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so already here, I lost 50% already till there. So let's do it again. Yeah, it's okay. So you go beginning. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5. So this is 100%. This is now everybody together. So let's do it again. Stay a little closer so I can kind of see how, closer. Yeah, come closer so I can see you. Or you may stay on the back if you want to see yourself. Just want to see everyone, so like how many percentage we got. So let's try again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I think like it's 100%, 3 moves. Now this is on the fourth one, I think that's where we become like disoriented a little bit. So let's do the fourth one together, just the one move. We're gonna do turn, basic and turn, just one time. 7, go. 1, 2, 3, turn, turn, turn. Just get there. So you're turning the wrong direction though. That's the thing. Your step was correct, but you're turning the wrong direction. So let's do it slowly. So go 1, 2, 3. We're gonna turn to the right as we step. 5, 6, 7. That's correct. Let's do a little bit faster. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Turn, turn, get here. Very good. That was 100%. So now our goal from beginning till here, everybody together, survive. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, cumbia. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, turn. 1, 2, 3. Turn, turn, get here. That was good. So let's do with music till here. Now with the turn, you will experience acceleration of energy.
And dizziness.
So you have to do a little bit more there, because it's going to feel different dynamic than other steps. Now, one turn, no dizziness.